Some startling claims today about the mysterious disappearance of a Toronto man. An extremist website says Mohammed Elmi Ibrahim died fighting in Somalia. The CBC's John Lancaster has that story.
Mohammed Elmi Ibrahim disappeared 18 months ago. He was well-spoken, well-educated, an English major at the University of Toronto, seemingly a young man with a lot to live for. But according to this video posted on an extremist website, Ibrahim is now dead, killed fighting in Somalia.
Do not think that the martyrs are dead.
Today, a steady stream of visitors came to his Toronto home, but none would admit knowing him. You know him?
I only know his mother.
Okay.
I don't know him.
Ibrahim was one of 6 young Somali Canadian men who have vanished recently. There were concerns they'd been radicalized and recruited in Canada to wage war in Somalia. All had one thing in common. They worshipped here at this Toronto mosque. The president says he teaches only compassion and peace.
He was the first one to go, and after this now we don't know where to go, where he gone.
It's a growing concern for the Somali community across North America. More than 20 young men have vanished from the Minneapolis area too. It's believed all of them have joined the outlawed Al-Shabaab, an armed Islamic group linked to Al-Qaeda. Al-Shabaab is trying to topple the Somali government and set up a hard-line Islamic state. They've claimed responsibility for bombings and assassination plots. Last week, the Canadian government put the group on its list of terrorist organizations.
We're satisfied that Al-Shabaab is recruiting and that it is encouraging youth to join international jihad.
Security experts fear that if the youth return to Canada, they could pose a security risk here.
They've had an adventure, they've done something exciting and dramatic, and that has an appeal. So they're able to pick up on other people. It also means that there's a cadre of experienced gunmen, experienced bomb makers living in our own populations.
Somali community leaders say parents are scared their sons could also disappear the way Abraham did. Some have even taken to hiding their children's passports. John Lancaster, CBC News, Toronto.